and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if you are experiencing this something went wrong on Instagram. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So if you're experiencing an issue on Instagram, just follow the troubleshooting steps that I am going to show you, and keep in mind that you should always make sure you're running the latest version of the Instagram app as well as the latest version of your phone or tablet's operating system before following the steps that I'm going to teach you. So first thing that you can do is to simply restart your phone or a tablet. So just always try restarting your phone or tablet first if you're using or if you're having trouble with Instagram, and next is to check internet connection. So if restarting your device doesn't help, just please try using Instagram both on Wi-Fi and on your mobile data connection to see if the problem is because of a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. And then lastly, what you can do is to uninstall and reinstall your device. So if restarting your, I'm so sorry, uninstalling or reinstalling the Instagram app. So if restarting your device and checking your connection doesn't help, just try deleting and reinstalling Instagram. So you're for iPhone or iPad, just do that from the home screen and tap the hold Instagram app icon until it shakes, and then just tap onto the X icon on the app to delete it, and your photos and profile info will be saved by Instagram. And then after that, just go to the App Store, reinstall Instagram, and then log in with your username and password. And for Android, you can do that. So by going into your phone settings and then tap into the apps and tap Instagram, and then simply hit the install button. So just go to the Google Play Store and reinstall Instagram and then log in with your username and password. So that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having problem with your Instagram app. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.